The greenest city in Asia, Singapore, known as the Little Red Dot, is an island surrounded by rich and diverse ecosystems and water. Lots and lots of water. Seawater to be exact, which is technically something humans can't drink. But we have cutting-edge water recycling plants, modern-day sanitation systems, and every household has access to clean water at the turn of a tap. So what's there to worry about?
Well, in Singapore, we have a very well-managed waste-to-energy incineration system. However, there are some leakages out of that system where we litter, of course, through our industrial processes, wastewater outflow. Plastics do come out of the system.
Unfortunately, water pollution is still a present topic. And the star of the show, plastic. It turns out only 4% of plastics actually get recycled.
Currently, there are around 5 million metric tons of plastic that enters the ocean annually, and around 8 trillion plastic particles that are floating in the ocean right now.
So when we're freediving, sometimes we go down to a certain depth or to the floor of the ocean, which is like in the shallower areas, you actually see quite a lot of trash there. Yeah, plastic straws, cups, bags, of course. Yeah.
Catalyzed by wave action and UV degradation, normal plastics are broken down into nano and microplastics, which could be disguised as food to marine life.
Animals eat the microplastic. They think it's other food, and some of these animals are really small, like plankton. So they eat the microplastic, and it gets passed up and accumulated along the food chain, and eventually ends up with humans because we eat the fish that eats the plankton that eats the plastic.
At the end of the day, we are the ones responsible for our health and our environment. So what can we do to combat water pollution?
Reduce their use of plastic. So if you don't use the plastic, there's less of it being produced and less chance of it ending up in the ocean, right? The second thing would be to, if they have to use it, dispose of it properly, make sure it goes into the trash can. And then also, if they see trash, while they're on the beach, they can pick it up. Yeah, or join a cleanup. There's so many groups in Singapore doing cleanups nowadays, so they can join those to help actually remove the trash.
We all have a role to play in creating a better life for ourselves and our oceans, reducing our use of plastic, picking up litter, and disposing it properly into recycling bins. When we come together, we can create the change we want to see. So let's play our part and save our oceans.